Wow. Do you like your tea party? It looks like a nice tea party you're having. Who's at your tea party? Who's here? Dora. And who else?
Ducky.
Ducky. And who else is here?
Elephant.
Elephant. And what are we having?
Tea party.
Tea party.
Right.
Yeah, that looks like a fun time.